my friends, my name is Evan from D10. Today this video just show you how the open box. You will see which one and what kinds of open box you thinking you need. And here is our new fresh products for HDMI. I just get them from the manufacturer lines. You can see in this box. Here is the D10 brand name, and here is the real code. And the back side is the label to show the customer which item and the feature of the products. The back here is the detailed full name, Guangzhou Detail Electric Company. And here we open the box in here, and then you will see this one first. This one is the menus for the fiber cable, how to use it, and what kinds of tension you need to care about, such as the specification and also the installations. And here is the connect dialog for you. You'll be clear to know how to connect the product. And to protect the product here, you have the bubble cartons for the cover in the bottoms, and also this one, very good quality bubble carton to protect the whole product, to make sure when you in translation, you will not hurt it for the products, because you know the fiber cable is not stronger as you think, like the copper cable. But the advantage for this product is light. You can see here, this one is for 40 meters. It's very beautiful. Here is the labels to get your attention. The products should carry when you installation. You need to carry the direction, because the fiber cable is one direction. And the inside, this one is for the drivings, and this one is for the certifications. The product is passed. And here is ending for the products. Okay, but now the video is almost finished. The open box video is almost finished. So if you get any interest about the products, you can see my next video. Thanks.